Okay, this is on Sukhumvit 15. What I'm going to do is film this particular corner building. Looks like it has a lot of history, so it's kind of an interesting place. So Sukhumvit 15, and it's a restaurant. Let's just kind of take a look inside. It's pretty cool. Oh, sorry. Can't film in there, so I said no. Anyways. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Anyways, I filmed from the street here, but it's a Youngly restaurant, really cool decor. Out of respect, I'm not going to film in there, but I'll just film this street right here. There's a pretty cool VW bug. So this is Soi 15, so we'll just walk down it a little bit towards the Hooters bar, and we're gonna walk by whatever we see on the way. So there's a lot of massage places, and then there's a Hooters down here, which I think is closed, but it's one out of a couple. So, but yeah, here it is right here. Looks like it's closed at the moment. But I think this whole street, and that came pretty close to hitting me. Sheraton Hotel Manhattan. Yeah, I think actually there's a street down here that's quite popular for clubs, I think. I'll see if I can find it, but it's down at the end of the street to the left, I think. We'll just film it. This is so basically this is Soi 15. It's a Korean restaurant right here, kind of a big one. Then we're gonna keep walking. So yeah, Soi 15 starts out with that pretty cool Chinese restaurant. And then you got the Hooters, which is well known. Here's Aroma Karaoke, which is connected to the Korean restaurant. So I'm gonna guess that it's oh, there's a Korean flag in the middle. There's 5 flags up at the top, and one of them is Korean. So sheesh. So I'm gonna guess it's popular because it's I'm gonna guess it's a Korean karaoke place. Funny thing is, I filmed here about a year ago. Walked down the same street. Those shards of glass over there on that building. You see that a lot in Latin America and Philippines. I don't think I see it so much in Thailand, but there's one nonetheless. So I might end it. I think it's a little bit further. I think if I go left, there's a let's see. Let's go a little bit further, and then we'll just see if I can. It's a nice hotel. Hello. Those are some fresh juices. I used to drink quite a bit of them, but then some Thai people were telling me there was some scandal where it's not very clean. So now I'm just kind of suspect all the time. Kind of forced into the street here. So, okay. I think that guy was on Bluetooth. He was speaking while walking by me, and I wasn't sure if he was speaking to me or... Okay, let's go a little bit further. I think that whatever I thought was here is either to the left up here or it's not. And that little club thing is in a different spot. Not that it would matter at this time, but so we'll just go up to this spot and then we'll close it. There's a condo right here. Euro Classic condominium. 1 or 2, 3 bedrooms. Okay. I might just see how much these ones would cost. So there's some condos there. Let's just see. I think this is it right here, Kingston. So yeah, we're gonna find out. So I will find out and ask. We'll just kind of walk in a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back to this office. Then I'll ask and see. Euro Classic condominium. Okay. So see what they say. we'll find out, and then I'll report back. So okay, we'll just walk back, and I'll just tell you real quick. But yeah, those condominiums are only to rent. You can't buy them, so they gave me a card, and so I'll just get good right there. So we were on Sukhumvit 15, and you get to see a little bit of what's on some of these soys if you don't know already.